Number 1. 1989 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, $1,500, Willards, Maryland. This burgundy on burgundy 1989 Chevrolet 1500 long bed is an affordable square body pickup with a clean history and approximately 110,000 miles. Powered by an automatic transmission, the truck reportedly runs, but currently needs a replacement starter before it can be driven regularly. Aside from that issue, the seller does not mention any significant body damage or major mechanical concerns. For buyers looking for an inexpensive entry into the popular square-body Chevrolet market, this could be an excellent value. These late-model square-body trucks continue to gain popularity thanks to their simple mechanical design, plentiful replacement parts, and growing collector interest. Number 2. 1953 Chevrolet 4400 stake body dump flatbed, $9,500, Enfield, Connecticut. This 1953 Chevrolet 4400 is a heavy-duty classic work truck that has been carefully maintained and tastefully upgraded while preserving its vintage character. It features a dependable Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a converted 12-volt electrical system for improved reliability. Recent upgrades include a Record radiator, a new Edelbrock carburetor, undercoated chassis, and numerous original equipment manufacturer spare parts. Registered and insured, this truck has served as a reliable property vehicle and remains fully functional with its custom Pintle hitch and 7-foot by 10-foot flatbed. Early Chevrolet commercial trucks are becoming increasingly desirable among collectors seeking unique vintage workhorses with practical usability. Number 3. 1987 Ford F-150 long bed, $1,000, Remington, Virginia. Offered at an attractive price, this 1987 Ford F-150 Custom is powered by Ford's legendary 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive. The seller recently installed a new water pump, spark plugs, and ignition wires, and confirms the truck runs, drives, and stops. Rust is present in the driver's floor pan, cab mount, and leaf spring mount, while the front axle must be reinstalled to restore 4-wheel drive. Despite these repairs, it remains an affordable restoration project or dependable farm and hunting truck. The 300 inline 6 is well known for its durability and strong low-end torque. Number 4. 1964 Ford F-100, $3,500, Rocky Mount, Virginia. This 1964 Ford F-100 offers outstanding vintage style with its attractive blue finish and authentic heavy patina appearance. Equipped with a desirable 262 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed column shift manual transmission, it retains much of its original charm. The truck is described as structurally solid, but requires brake work, installation of the rear differential center section, fuel line completion, and replacement front leaf springs before returning to regular road use. First-generation twin I-beam Ford pickups like this are appreciated for their smooth ride, simple construction, and timeless styling, making them popular restoration projects. Number 5. 1989 Ford F-150 short bed, $3,500, Claremont, New Hampshire. Built more for off-road fun than daily commuting, this lifted 1989 Ford F-150 features a massive 460 cubic inch V8 backed by a dependable C6 automatic transmission. Riding on 40-inch tires with approximately 9 inches of suspension lift, the truck runs and drives but requires additional work. Previous repairs have already been completed to both the frame and cab, making an ideal foundation for someone seeking a mud truck or recreational off-road build. Ford's 460 V8 remains highly regarded for producing excellent torque and responding well to performance modifications. Number 6. 1989 Ford F-150 Lariat Long Bed, $3,500, Sykesville, Maryland. This well-equipped 1989 Ford F-150 Lariat combines classic brick-nose styling with tasteful custom upgrades. Powered by a reliable 5.0-liter V8 and automatic overdrive transmission, it features a lowered suspension using quality Dream Beams, upgraded Phoenix Gold audio equipment, and solid body mounts. While the Florida sun has faded, the paint and minor rust is beginning around the rear cab window and wheel opening. The truck remains structurally solid. It currently needs an alignment, replacement tires, and fresh window seals. Bricknose Ford pickups continue attracting enthusiasts thanks to their dependable drivetrains, comfortable interiors, and growing collector appeal. Number 7. 1984 Ford F-150 Lariat Super Cab, $4,999, Monroe, North Carolina. This one-owner 1984 Ford F-150 Lariat Super Cab appears to have lived a well-preserved life, showing just over 83,000 miles. Powered by the dependable 4.9-liter inline six-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, it includes working heat, original documentation, and even a period-correct Cobra Citizens Band radio. The legendary Ford Inline 6 is famous for exceptional reliability and longevity, making this truck an excellent candidate for preservation rather than restoration. Low-mileage, one-owner examples like this have become increasingly difficult to find. Number 8. 1970 International 1200D, $2,000, Honesdale, Pennsylvania. Rescued from a scrapyard, this 1970 International 1200D is a rugged four-wheel drive pickup ready for restoration. The truck will start when fuel is supplied directly into the carburetor and comes with a clean Pennsylvania title. Although the snowplow is no longer included, the truck retains its manual transmission and solid foundation for a complete rebuild. International Harvester pickups remain uncommon compared to Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge competitors, making them especially attractive to collectors seeking something unique at an affordable price. Number 9. 1989 Ford F-350 four-wheel drive dump truck, $3,000, Springfield, Massachusetts. This 1989 Ford F-350 dump truck offers serious heavy-duty capability at a budget-friendly price. Equipped with upgraded F-450 suspension components and believed to have stronger axles, it still runs despite requiring mechanical attention. The largest issue is a cracked bell housing, which should be addressed before regular service. Aside from needing some general care, the truck appears to have a solid foundation for someone needing an inexpensive work truck or restoration project. Heavy-duty Ford dump trucks from this era remain valued for their durability and simple mechanical systems. Number 10. 1957 Ford F-100, $7,000, Beckett, Massachusetts. This registered, insured, and inspected 1957 Ford F-100 is already a dependable driver, rather than just another unfinished project. The seller has steadily improved the truck over the years, although additional work remains. Its ability to remain roadworthy makes it especially attractive because many comparable trucks require complete mechanical restoration before driving. The 1957 model year introduced one of Ford's most recognizable pickup designs, combining classic styling with improved comfort and making it one of the most collectible F-Series generations. Number 11, 1972 Ford F-100, $7,000, Greensboro, North Carolina. This 1972 Ford F-100 offers an appealing combination of vintage styling and project potential. While the truck could benefit from electrical repairs, exhaust manifold attention, and addressing several oil leaks, it remains a solid platform for restoration or future modification. The seller even mentions the possibility of installing a modern Coyote engine for those interested in a Rista-mod build. The final years of the 5th generation F-Series remain highly sought after because they combine classic proportions with excellent aftermarket support. Number 12, 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $8,000, Boise, Idaho. This impressive 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special is powered by its original 360 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. According to the seller, the truck has completed multiple road trips lasting more than 6 hours without mechanical issues, demonstrating its dependability. While new wheels and tires would improve its appearance, it remains fully usable in its current condition. Camper Special models were engineered specifically for carrying slide-in campers, making them stronger and more capable than standard pickups while remaining highly collectible today. Number 13, 1965 Ford F600 Cab and Chassis, $1,500, Garden City, Idaho. This 1965 Ford F600 is an unusually affordable medium-duty commercial truck showing remarkably low mileage, according to the seller. Powered by a 5-speed manual transmission with a desirable 2-speed rear axle, it offers excellent versatility for hauling or restoration. The only mechanical issue mentioned is that the brake system requires bleeding before returning to service. Vintage Ford medium-duty trucks are becoming increasingly difficult to locate in solid condition, particularly at this price point. Number 14, 1976 Ford F-150 XL Super Cab, $4,500, Smithfield, Utah. This very clean 1976 Ford F-150 XL Super Cab combines minimal rust with a powerful 460 cubic inch V8 and dependable C6 automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives, but currently needs a replacement brake master cylinder and a fresh set of tires before becoming road ready. Its clean body, spacious Super Cab configuration, and big block power make it an appealing candidate for either restoration or enjoyable weekend cruising. Super Cab models from the mid-1970s are considerably less common than regular cab versions, adding to their desirability. Number 15, 1973 Ford F-350 Dually Flatbed, $4,500, Yakima, Washington. This 1973 Ford F-350 Dually Flatbed is a solid, heavy-duty work truck powered by the respected 390 FE V8 engine and manual transmission. Featuring newer tires, a newly built 7-foot by 10-foot flatbed, and a custom protective cage, the truck starts easily and appears ready for continued service. The interior would benefit from some attention, but overall it represents a dependable foundation for work or restoration. Early 70s Ford 1-ton trucks are known for their robust construction and continue to attract enthusiasts looking for durable vintage haulers.